Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull on your computer. First, navigate to the official Webull website to download the desktop application. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for a smooth installation process. Once installed, launch the application and log in using your existing Webull account credentials. This initial step ensures you have full access to all the powerful features Webull offers, providing a robust trading experience right from your desktop. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the Webull desktop interface. You will notice a clear navigation bar on the left, offering quick access to different sections. Feel free to customize your workspace by adding or removing widgets like charts, order books, or news feeds. This flexibility allows you to create a personalized trading environment, displaying all the information you need at a glance for efficient decision-making. Placing a trade on Webull desktop is straightforward. Locate the order entry panel, typically found on the right side or as a customizable widget. Here, you can select the stock or option you wish to trade, choose your order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price, and specify the quantity. Always double-check all the details before confirming your trade to ensure accuracy. Beyond basic trading, Webull Desktop offers robust account management and advanced tools. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance, track your profit and loss, and view your account balance. Dive into advanced charting features with dozens of indicators for technical analysis. Should you need assistance, customer support is readily available, alongside extensive educational materials to help you enhance your trading knowledge and skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.